Parang sampal na rin sa atin yun na non-pro at professional drivers na we spend much of our time and money to gain licenses only to be defeated by these minors on the road.
Common sense is no longer common.
Yes.
They cheat because hindi sila makontento sa partner nila. You don't have the balls to face your partner and tell her that you don't want to continue the relationship. Yon! Welcome back mga chon! Well, ngayon
It's been a while.
It's been a while. 6th
Na-miss
episode.
niyo ba kami?
You miss my body. Eto na naman.
Do we look tired?
Oh, don't touch me. I'll touch myself na.
I'll touch myself na ba?
Eto na naman. Well, first of all, we would like to apologize. It took us some time to record another episode.
Yes.
Because we were both busy. May nagkasakit. We were busy with work. Family, school. And business. Yeah.
Because it's December.
Yeah, madaming mga ganap ngayon eh.
Yes.
So, if you like to, kung gusto niyo mga designs whatsoever for parties.
Birthday, wedding,
whatever. Pa-plug na rin namin. Creations by Gab. Message them on Facebook.
Yes.
Anywhere here in Iloilo. For as long as it's here in Iloilo, within Iloilo. Contact Creations by Gab. Yun. May plug in na tayo eh. No? Anyways, it's been almost 3-4 weeks. Hindi tayo nakapag-record.
Yes.
So, yun nga. We would like to apologize for the delay. Right now, ito pa isa. We are here in Barotac Nuevo. Yeah, in this beautiful place, cafe, Malaya Cafe, here in Barotac Nuevo. You can contact them on Facebook. Malaya, it's MALEIA.
Cafe.
Yes, cafe. Malaya
Food
Cafe.
Food is great, the ambience.
Food is great, affordable.
Highly
ambience. May dito, may kubo. What you call this? It's a kubo by the creek. They have a creek here. Tapos wala, friendly animals. They have this friendly dog dito na nakaantabay sa lahat ng sa lahat ng galaw namin dito. Anyways, eto na.
Anong latest?
Anong latest?
Ting.
Daming latest yun. Daming ganap eh, no?
Ang daming ganap. From politics to
politics, showbiz. No? Galing. Mga designated survivor. Sabi ko na nga ba, tawag dito. Matatabunan yung mga issue na yan pag may lumabas na mas malaking issue.
Yeah.
I think it's not somehow, eto, baka sabihin nyo, nanonood ako masyado ng mga conspiracy theories na Pero don't you find it don't you find it amazing yung mga nagaganap, kasi there was an issue before na I don't really remember the issue. Tapos nagkahiwalayan yung sino nga yun?
Sino?
Si Katniel, yes. O, di ba? Tapos, basta may parate pag there's a problem sa politika.
Politics. They would cover it
tatabunan ng showbiz.
Siguro we're very much invested.
Masyado ako nanonood siguro ng mga conspiracy, mga
Masyado lang siguro tayong invested sa showbiz compared to politics. Because if we are invested in politics, then we should have voted for the right people. But obviously, we're not. Doon na lang tayo sa showbiz.
Yeah.
Diba?
That's why actors and TV personalities win the elections.
Yes.
Because they are famous.
Because if we focus too much on show business, celebrities, nandun yung attention natin versus those people na worthy naman talagang nasa posisyon, which are not celebrities.
Yeah.
Diba?
I touch my body na lang. Before this happened, we talked. Lee and me, we talked. Chol, sabi ko, tawag dito, magandang topic natin. Kailangan na natin mag-record kasi it's been a few weeks. So we had to find time to record for another episode. So, sabi ko, magandang topic. Kasi ako may topic ako. Sabi ko, it's about road safety. It so happened na this past few weeks here in Iloilo, there were several motor vehicular accidents involving minors. No?
Yes.
Na kasi tawag dito yung mga minors, they were driving too fast, I guess. Something happened.
Wala silang kabay, no?
Walang kaba.
Actually, not
no
only,
helmet, no
driver's license,
no registration for the vehicle. So, tawag dito, bakit ganon? Kasi, is it the parents' fault? No? Na pinapayagan? Kasi there are times naman na sasabihin ng magulang na di ko alam na kinuha niyo yung
yung sasakyan.
Yung sasakyan, yung motor, whatsoever, di ba?
Okay. So, negligence pa rin ng parents yun.
I'd say yes. Tsaka medyo kakulitan din ng mga ng mga bata. And naman kasi, tawag dito, hindi naman kasi sinisita ng mga natin mga officials.
On the road.
At barangay officials, alam mo, from that barangay, looks like a minor, di ba? Walang walang helmet. Kahit hindi minor yan, walang helmet, pwede mong yun, sitahin yan na, oy, mag-helmet ka. Ganon, no? Helmet is for safety.
Yes.
Helmet nilalagay sa ulo, hindi sa braso, sa siko. For those na nag-mutate na yung utak nila nasa siko na, so good luck sa inyo. Diyan nyo ilagay. No?
Actually, it's not only in Iloilo I've seen a couple of Facebook posts din na it killed like 3 people in just one accident because a minor is driving a car and then hit another. Tapos, alam mo yung may isa pa. Actually, kakarating lang nila from the US. They are on their way home. Excited na lahat. Alam mo naman, parang reunion pag December, di ba?
Ayun yung binangga. ng minor.
Yung sasakyan, accident na yun, only killed 1, which is yung nanay nila. The rest, nasa wala namang major injury. Pero yun nga, why are minors even allowed to drive? Sabihin na natin, sasabihin ng parents, kasi makulit siya kasi hindi ko alam na kinuha nila yung sasakyan. But still,
if you have kept the keys properly, wala silang mananakaw ng sasakyan. Alam lang tawag dito, i-hijack nila yung sasakyan, di ba?
Parang,
I find it absurd sometimes yung mga ganong rason.
Parent, I'd be scared. I'd be scared for my child driving a vehicle unlicensed and walang proper training.
At saka ngayon, na-notice ko, Chol, tawag dito, yung mga nagmumotor, daredevil lahat
Yes.
Lahat ako, baka sabihin nyo kasi you don't know the
feeling?
The feeling. I've been driving a motorcycle since I was very young.
Yes.
I was also guilty of being a minor na driver dati without having license. Pero that was before. That was a different scenario. Kasi hindi ganon karami yung mga sasakyan. Hindi ganon karami yung mga So, and dati nung tinitrain ako, nung tinuturuan ako mag-drive, it was always na parang lesson sa akin na drive carefully, look at your mirror, look at where you're going, and sa mga intersection, mag-slow down ka, use your horn, yung busina mo, you use it properly, para tawag dito, para there are lessons. Ngayon kasi pag marunong ka lang magbike, marunong ka lang pumiga ng ng accelerator.
Oo.
Wala.
Yes.
You're a driver already.
And it's parang sampal na rin sa atin yun na non-pro at professional drivers na we spend much of our time and money to gain licenses only to be defeated by these minors on the road.
No.
No?
One time, ako siguro out of na rin, may ako tawag dito, may minor ako na kinat ako bigla. So, pedal to the metal, natapak ako sa brakes. Kasi it happened, I was going to work. It was I'm on the night shift, so I had to be there sa work at around 11 o'clock. So the time was about siguro mga 10:50 something. Kasi malapit lang naman yung yung bahay ko sa sa hospital. So there was this parang shadow siya sa kasi walang mga street lights kasi inaayos yung mga street lights. There was this parang shadow lang na nakita ko kasi naka-low yung lights ko kasi I have a habit na hindi ko naman hinahay yung lights kasi napaka yung parang white yung color ng light ko, napaka sakit sa mata pag ikaw yung parang opposite
side,
opposite side, sasalubong. So it's like parang masakit. So hindi ko hinahay. Pero sa dulo nakita ko parang may shadow. The guy, the minor, kasi nakita ko naman sa kanya, napakabata pa eh. He was wearing black shirt, black shorts. His motorcycle was black. Yung walang turn signals, walang brake lights, walang headlight. Susuroy-suroy sa daan. Feeling niya snake road. Ganyan sa daan. Lasing. So, malapit na eh. So, I was at fault din siguro kung kasi I was driving like around 100 kilometers per hour yung speed ko. So, it wasn't that fast. Pero, mabilis siya. Pero it wasn't that fast. So, I applied brake pag nakita ko kasi parang wala kang choice kasi siya eh. Kasi gewang-gewang sa daan. So, binaba ko yung window ko talaga. Tapos sinabihan ko siya na na parang pumagilid. Sabi, parang nag-lecture ako bigla. Sabi ko in Tagalog na lang. Sabi ko, iho, parang ganyan yung gist ng ng pagkakasabi ko. Iho, sabi ko, kung gusto mo makita si Lord, kung nagmamadali ka makita si Lord, please, wag mo akong idamay. Wala kang headlights, lasing ka pa ata. Walang turn signals or whatsoever. Nakaitim ka pa. Wala pang helmet yan.
Combo.
So, yes. Parang tinignan lang ako. Wala. Alis na naman siya. Lasing siguro. So, wala ka talaga minsan na shit happens pero sometimes ignorance, ganun. At saka ngayon, sabi ko nga, in this world, the world we are living right now, where common sense is no longer common.
Yes, I agree.
Having common sense is a rarity these days.
It's a gift.
I move to rename common sense as a rare sense already.
Rare sense.
Kasi parang tawag dito, wala nang common sense minsan eh.
Wala.
Driving is about common sense. Alam mo na intersection,
mabilis pa yung takbo mo.
Balis pa yung takbo mo. Dapat dahan-dahan lang.
Exactly.
Tawag dito, slow down. No? Alam mo na madilim, wala kang headlight, magdadrive ka pa ba? Ganon?
Agree.
Tawag dito, huwag mong ilagay sa alanganin.
Yung buhay mo,
common
tsaka
sense,
yung buhay
common sense. Yes.
ng iba.
Tsaka tawag dito, alam mo na nakasignal na, liliko.
Bigla mo
It happened. Liliko yung isa, overtake pa. Ngayon, salpok. Di ba?
Maraming cases na ganyan.
Common sense lang. Tsaka di ko lang mag-gets, tawag dito, yung mga mirrors, side mirrors, yung mga motorcycles. Parang design nila ngayon, chul eh. It's not about functionality. Kasi, bibili ka ng side mirror, ganito lang kalaki. Mas 10 peso coin, 20 peso coin kalaki. Ano makikita mo nun?
I-customize pa nila yan minsan.
Di ba? Yeah.
Well, no matter how trained and how safe of a driver you are, pag mga ganyang klaseng driver ang kasabay mo sa daan, 50-50 are the chances na makaka-encounter ka talaga ng accident. Kasi ang motto ko lang, every time I leave home, is to reach my destination safe and go home safe. Hindi ko kailangan mabilisang takbo. Basta safe kami makarating sa bahay. Yun lagi.
It happened din na, ano yung tawag dito, yung sabi din ng isang kakilala ko na driver din, good driver. Sabi niya, no matter kung gaano ka kaayos, gaano ka kagaling mag-drive, may ibang tao dyan na hindi nagte-take care ba?
Yes.
Doesn't care about the world. And you'd be the victim na lang.
You'd be the victim. Yes.
So happened to me, di ba? Nadisgrasya ako sa motor. Because of a truck na nag-overtake sa isang truck. I-head on ako, so I swerved right. So happened na natumba yung motor ko. And this is my battle scar here.
Lesson learned.
Yeah. Pero it so happened na maraming nangyayari sa atin sa mundo. Yung Senate hearing. Senate
it's so chaotic these days. Na actually, hindi na binge watching ng Netflix series yung ginagawa ng karamihan. Senate hearing watching na.
Binge watching Senate hearing.
Pero let's see how it ends, kumbaga. Kasi it's about time that we care about who we put into position moving forward.
Position. Yes.
That's our hard-earned money that they discuss, kumbaga.
And it's not a plaything. It's not their personal funds to spend.
Yes.
No? Those funds were meant to be spent on towards public welfare. Public welfare,
public diba? Service. That's why they are called public servants.
So, pero eto, sabi ko kanina, di ba? Once there's a big controversy concerning the government officials, there will be another big issue that will cover up everything.
Yeah.
May nakikita ka ngayon nagpo-post about sa Senate hearing? Wala.
Lahat ng mga memes.
Lahat ng tao, lahat ng meme na makikita ko, lahat sa YouTube updates, Instagram, TikTok,
Facebook,
X, Facebook.
Yes.
Lahat ng mga platforms. It's about Maris Racal and
Anthony Jennings.
Anthony. Wala din yung sabi ko nga, yung nag-break yung Katniel. Di ba? May parang
feeling ko
investigate natin. I guess there's a conspiracy behind this.
Feeling ko kasi lahat halos ng issues ng mga naghihiwalay. So, it's all about cheating. What's your opinion about cheating? Kasi ako, I don't tolerate cheating in any form eh.
Cheating.
Yun lang naman yung punot dulo kung bakit lumabas tong issue na to ni Marisa and Anthony. It's about cheating.
For me, you cheat because you're not contented. Diba? Kasi kung kontento ka hindi ka mag-cheat. Diba?
Pero ang take ko dun is, if you're not contented,
why pursue?
Why cheat on your partner? Kung hindi ka pala kontento, hiwalayan mo na. And then, find another one instead of you cheating.
The reason might be ganito, Chol. They cheat because hindi sila makontento sa partner nila. they find the things na gusto nila sa na lacking sa partner nila to that person, pero parang gusto nila pa rin yung partner nila. That's why they
So
cheat.
that's parang, pag hindi nag-work yung sa amin nitong babae, yung third party na to, at least meron akong pinanghahawakang existing na.
Wala akong experience kasi tawag dito. Ako lang niloloko dati.
Iba kasi yung emotional, mental trauma na
Emotional damage.
yes, na binibigay, you being cheated on.
Yes.
Iba kasi yun eh.
Trust issues.
Na pwede mong madala on your next relationship. Diba?
Sometimes in your lifetime.
In your lifetime, yes.
Yes. Oh, you will have trust issues.
And we're not just talking about cheating in relationship, but cheating in all forms, like sa exam, cheating on your diet, kunwari, nag-intermittent fasting ka, pero nag-cheat, kumain ka
I
bigla.
never cheated on my diet. I spent a lot to keep this body. I
na magkaroon ng
maintain
ab.
3 full meals with 2 snacks. And
Ako, never ako nag-cheat sa
high-calorie diet.
Never ako nag-cheat sa diet. Diyos ko, yun ang nga lang pa konsuelo ko
I
sa
never
for
cheated
working
on a
hard.
diet because I don't go on a diet.
You've been working hard, tapos magda-diet ka pa.
Yung nakita ko nga ng meme last time, hindi ka malilate kung hindi ka papasok. Di ba?
Which is true.
Oo. So you will never cheat on a diet, on your diet, if you don't go on a diet.
Tama nga
I'm
naman.
innocent.
Pero going back dun kay Marisa and Anthony, what's your take on that? Being the lalaki. Sige.
Pare, ikaw, if you don't have the guts,
The balls.
you don't have the balls to face your partner and tell her that you don't want to continue the relationship, there must be something wrong with you, man. Yeah. Mas okay na yon na sabihin nila na ako para sa akin mas okay na lang makipag-break ka for reasons that you're no longer happy
Yes.
than cheat.
Which is
Diba?
true. Kasi,
You're no longer happy. They won't consider it cheating because you never did something na naman, di ba? You were never happy lang. Ito lang naman ultimate purpose natin sa buhay eh. Be happy. Di ba? Ako nga, yung motto ko sa life, di ba? Life is too short to be anything but happy. So I want to be happy every day. So I find things that will make me happy. Kung hindi ka na happy, but why stay, man? Di ba? Men, tawag ko sa'yo, ayaw maging chol ka, mga cheater yun. Mga chol, walang
wala experience.
Yung mga chol, kami lang niloloko. Tsaka yung mga chol, loyal to.
We stick with just one woman.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah, stick to one kami.
Stick to one. Kasi tama yung sa kanta ng Ben and Ben na pipiliin ka araw-araw. Because relationships are hard to maintain. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. Diba? There's always ups and downs. Like kami, alam mo naman kami, pinagdaanan namin, diba? But it's about
There's
you
no
choosing...
such a fairy tale na
It's about you choosing your partner regardless of what you go through. Diba?
Being contented with what you have.
There's a
If
lot-
you're not contented, do something about it.
There's a lot of fishes in the sea, it's true. But you'll seldom find someone who will stick with you at your worst.
Parang Popoy Basha, men. She had me at my worst.
You had me at my best. Diba? Totoo yun. Because,
Mason ako! ako partly chola. If you consider beauty as a basis for you staying,
it's a no.
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 It will fade.
Yes.
Pare.
Beauty will fade.
One day you'll wake up.
Kulubot na yung mukha.
Kulubot na yung mukha niyo pareho.
Will you still love that person if kulubot na yung mukha nyo?
Oh.
If
she's not wearing makeup.
Yes.
She already has ano dito, dentures. Tapos di niya nasuot yung dentures niya. Kasi natulog kayo. Pag wake up niyo, bungi siya. Will you still be happy?
Yes.
Ganun ba? Beauty is superficial, pare. Pero yung true beauty, which is inside, doon ako. Kaya sabi ko dati, dati, di ba, uso pa yung mga punchlines dati. Sabi ko kay Joyce, sabi niya, sige nga, tumira ka ng punchline sa akin. Tanong ko sa kanya, sabi ko, Myra 400E ka ba? Bakit? Kasi you're beautiful inside and out.
Yun ba yun? Pero yun nga, if you have that one person who will stay by your side,
who will stick it up with you.
Yeah, who will put up with your bad and
put up
good,
with your bullshit.
Good and bad habits. Huwag mo nang lukuhin. 'Di ba? Maraming temptations sa paligid and wala tayong magagawa about those temptations.
Sabi nga nila, araw-araw nag-e-exist ang devil to tempt us.
Yes.
'Di ba? Kaya huwag tayong padaig. Tayo ay manalangin. 'Di ba? Tsaka parang tawag dito. As of now, I'd say ayaw na kita, kahit hindi pa tayo nagkatagpo, ayaw na kita maging friend. Men na lang tawag natin sa kanya, chol. Hindi ka pwede maging chol, men. Hindi ka pwede maging chol.
Kasi
walang chol na manloloko.
Yes, kasi in our circle of friends, we don't tolerate cheating, we don't tolerate third party, we don't tolerate our siblings by heart na lokohin yung mga partners nila. We go by that prinsipyo
unspoken
prinsipyo sa buhay.
Unspoken
no matter how
principle.
close we are, pag nakita naming nagloloko ka or you're doing something,
we will do something. We will tell you.
We'll tell you. So no. Don't
At saka doon, mga iba magre-react, no? Magre-react. Paano ba naman hindi na nga happy? Paano ba naman blah blah ganito? Paano ba naman matanda yung boyfriend?
Yung boyfriend.
Cheating is cheating, men.
Yes.
Cheating is cheating.
You don't
Di mo maka-cover up yun.
You don't
If
just
you
put an
have
excuse,
just been single, both of you, there wouldn't have been an issue like this, di ba? Nakipag-break ka doon sa girlfriend mo, ikaw nakipag-break ka sa boyfriend mo, nagkatagpo kayong dalawa, doon nyo tinuloy yung mga plano nyo to touch your body,
touch your
and baby kisses. Di walang problema.
Yes.
Tawag dito? Masasabi na lang ng tao na hindi naman ng couple na to, di ba? Ganun. Napaka-PDA naman ng couple na to. Couple pa tatawag sa inyo. Di ba?
Hindi ka tatawagin mistress, third party. Di ba?
Hindi ka homewrecker.
Hindi ba mas nakakaganda sa feeling yung tawagin ka, ay, girlfriend siya ni ganito, boyfriend siya ni ganyan, instead of you being called homewrecker, mistress, third party. Diba?
Cheater.
Do it the right way. Yun lang naman yun. Do it the right way. A relationship that started with cheating will always end up the same way. Yun ang sabi nila. Diba?
It's just like, tawag dito, parang pumasa ka sa exam. Parang final exam. To be a doctor, a lawyer. Or your bar exams or board exams. Nag-cheat ka. Then it so happened, you face this problem na dapat alam mo. Tapos, di mo pala alam kasi nag-cheat ka lang.
Nag-cheat ka. Yes. There's nothing to be proud of.
There's nothing to be proud of. Alisin na natin yung paniniwala, it's better to cheat than to repeat.
No.
Wag na. Wag nyo na ituloy.
As early as grade school, i-practice nyo na yan. I-practice nyo ng walang cheating. Ano ba? Diba?
Ngayon nga, sabi ko sa anak ko, Chol. Sa inaanak mo, sabi ko, do your best sa exam.
Yes.
Do your best na sa exam. Yung sabi nga ng teacher natin, Rest in peace, Ma'am Damasing. Hindi mo maaalala yung isang bagay na di mo natutunan.
Yes. Which is true.
Oh, yung sabi niya sa atin, di ba?
Yes.
Final exams natin.
She's
yan.
one of our best teachers.
Wag na kayo magstay sa paper nyo, hindi nyo maaalala yung bagay na hindi nyo natutunan.
Yes.
Di ba? Paano mo nga naman maalala kung hindi mo natutunan, di ba? Or di mo na pag-studyhan. Hindi mo talaga maalala.
True naman.
So, kayo, tawag dito, Anthony, you can
be better.
Be better.
Be better
Make
than
this
today.
as a
lesson.
take this as a lesson, as a learning experience. Na maging mabuti kang tao,
Yes.
mabuti kang partner,
You still
mabuti
have that
kang boyfriend,
opportunity.
and someday be a better husband, di ba?
Be a better husband, be a better father. Kasi, pag nagkapamilya ka, nagkaroon ka ng mga anak, and they will see in social media that you cheated on your ex-girlfriend years back, what would they feel? Diba?
Tapos, eto naman, kay Maris naman, you did the right thing to touch yourself na lang instead of looking for another one.
Yeah. It's not an
That
excuse
was-
that you're
that was just a
still
joke,
still young, and ayoko yung nakikita ko kasing ninonormalize na kasi bata pa they're prone to make mistakes, pero you have the choice.
You're no longer young.
You have the choice, diba? You always have a choice to do things the right way.
Akala ko nga, napaka-mature mo na to make patuloy 50
Rico
something.
Blanco, no?
Idol ka pa naman si Rico. You'll be safe here.
Hindi pala siya palang hindi safe.
Bye-bye na. Di ba? Mga ganun eh.
Naniniwala kasi ako na na God sees or hears conversations that you can't. So maybe that's His way of pulling people out of our lives to replace it with something better.
Right.
Diba?
Well, eto na nga. Basta, be better na lang.
Be better. Let's all be better people. Be kind to each other. Pag alam mong mali, cut na. Mali eh.
Huwag mo na ituloy. Tapos, eto na lang. Piece of advice na lang. In conclusion, regarding our first topic, wear complete gear sa magdadrive. Use your common sense, use your kokote. Check your vehicle properly. Your mga tawag dito, licenses, registrations, dapat kompleto kayo. Don't drink and drive. Don't drive without license.
Don't text and drive.
Don't text and drive. Don't drive when you're dumb. Nakita ko yung meme na yan eh. Sabi niya, me as a POV daw, me as a driving instructor. Una sa lahat, pag nagda-drive ka, dapat wag kang bobo.
Parang may nakita
mo yan? Nakalimutan yung name niya. Una sa lahat, pag nagda-drive ka, dapat di ka bobo.
Nakita ko nga rin yung ibang mga sticker eh. Parang lady driver or ano ba yun? New lady driver. Wag busina ng busina. What if mag-cry na lang ako?
Oh my God. Ayop no.
Parang
So
sabi,
Gen Z.
gusto ko nga rin magpalagay ng wag busina ng busina. What if mag-cry na lang ako?
Pwede ka magpagawa ng sticker.
Pwede.
Sticker. I'll tell you kung saan. Bawal pa sila i-plug dito eh. Tawag dito. Yun nga. Pangalawang issue. Vote wisely. Vote wisely. Yun nga parati pa na. Sinasabi natin yan parati, vote wisely, pero never pa nanalo si Wisely. Di ba?
Never.
Vote wisely. Yun lang, gamitin natin yung utak natin. Gamitin natin yung puso na huwag tayong padala sa mga ano.
Feeling ko ito yung pinaka itong taon na to yung pinakamaraming parang issue sa politika.
Daming.
Parang, parang naipon sila.
Hindi, na-stranded sila during
One
COVID.
after the other. One after
during
the
COVID
other.
pandemic,
Ang dami.
It was hindered by the COVID
Pag magsisearch ka nga
pandemic.
sa YouTube, parang, May ganito pala.
It's the most chaotic
Oh.
year
Oo, of Philippine politics.
in
So,
Philippine
yeah,
politics.
be
Diba?
wise.
Yeah. Vote. It's a gas-gas na advice pero vote wisely.
Mm.
Huwag tayong padala sa mga makukulay na salita ng mga politiko. Gamitin natin yung utak natin. Look for the right person, the person with qualification, the person with the right personality, the person with right attitude, the person with the heart to serve the public. Diba?
Exactly.
Yun. Doon tayo.
Basta ako, kakamping ako dati.
Liwanag sa dilim.
Sorry, 31 million.
Where you at, bro? Third, in conclusion, pangatlong issue, huwag ka na mag-cheat. Hayop ka.
Just to be
Pinapainit
cool.
mo yung ulo
Just to be
namin.
called cool, diba?
Ikaw sabi ko sa'yo bawal kang maging chol bro. Ano ka lang, men ka lang.
Men ka lang,
Men tawag namin sa'yo, bawal kang maging chol. Sa mga chol natin dyan, wag nyo na siyang, men na lang tawag nyo sa kanya, wag tayo mag-chol sa kanya.
Yung
Sino pa yung mga cheater na kilala mo ba? Ang dami nila eh.
dami nila. Ayoko yung sinasabi nga nila na don't do the wrong thing even if everyone is doing
Doing it. Yes.
And do the right thing even if you're the only one who's doing it. Integrity.
Integrity, pare.
Yes.
Ganon.
Yo,
So, tsaka pag may nangate,
kamutin mo na.
kamutin
Touch
mo.
yourself
Touch
lang.
yourself.
Wala ka pang naaapak.
That's so hot.
Oh. Sumasakit.
Ayoko. Napasakit yung ulo ko. Ang daming problema ng mundo. Dumagdag pa
pa sila
kayo.
eh.
Well, ito na nga. We will end our episode here. Chol will edit it. Expect it to be out
Yup.
by few days time. Yung anak ko, nagmamadali na. Pinapapak na kami ng lamok dito. So, ito na nga. We will end our episode here. This has been your host, Ken.
And Lee.
For
And
another
this
episode of Balconahe Talks. Ay, eto ba?
May isa pa.
And here's, what's your name?
Live.
Liv. And bye everyone.
Bye.